What is buoyancy? What is full moon tide, Syzygy? How it helped free up Suez Canal ship. Archimedes Principle. The vast container ship that was blocking the Suez Canal for almost a week was freed in late March 2021. What helped rescue operations were buoyancy and full moon tide. In summary, approximately twice a month, around new moon and full moon, when the sun, moon, and earth form a line, a configuration known as a syzygy, the tidal force due to the sun reinforces that due to the moon. The tide's range is then at its maximum. This is called the spring tide. Let's learn details. What is buoyancy? Buoyancy, or upthrust, is an upward force exerted by a fluid that opposes the weight of a partially or fully immersed object. In a column of fluid, pressure increases with depth as a result of the weight of the overlying fluid. Thus, the pressure at the bottom of a column of fluid is greater than at the top of the column. Similarly, the pressure at the bottom of an object submerged in a fluid is greater than at the top of the object. The pressure difference results in a net upward force on the object. The magnitude of the force is proportional to the pressure difference, and as explained by Archimedes' principle is equivalent to the weight of the fluid that would otherwise occupy the submerged volume of the object, i.e. the displaced fluid. For this reason, an object whose average density is greater than that of the fluid in which it is submerged tends to sink. If the object is less dense than the liquid, the force can keep the object afloat. This can occur only in a non-inertial reference frame, which either has a gravitational field or is accelerating due to a force other than gravity defining a downward direction. The center of buoyancy of an object is the center of gravity of the displaced volume of fluid. Archimedes' Principle. Any object, wholly or partially immersed in a fluid, is buoyed up by a force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. What is full moon tide? Tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the combined effects of the gravitational forces exerted by the moon and the sun, and the rotation of the earth. Tide tables can be used for any given locale to find the predicted times and amplitude or tidal range. The predictions are influenced by many factors, including the alignment of the sun and moon. The Semi-Diurnal Range, the difference in height between high and low waters over about half a day, varies in a 2-week cycle. Approximately twice a month, around new moon and full moon, when the sun, moon, and earth form a line, a configuration known as a syzygy, the tidal force due to the sun reinforces that due to the moon. The tide's range is then at its maximum. This is called the spring tide. How it helped free up Suez Canal ship. Hashtags buoyancy, full moon, Suez Canal, Syzygy, ship, Archimedes Principle. What is buoyancy? What is full moon tide, Syzygy? How it helped free up Suez Canal ship. Archimedes Principle.